Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Dogecoin from KuCoin to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're holding Dogecoin on KuCoin and want to move it to your Trust Wallet for better security or easier access, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you have both a KuCoin account with Dogecoin in it and Trust Wallet installed on your device. If you haven't already, open Trust Wallet and ensure Dogecoin is added to your wallet. It's usually under the search function. Just type Dogecoin and add it if needed. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to your Dogecoin wallet. Tap on the Receive button to generate your Dogecoin address. This is a long string of letters and numbers. Copy it carefully because you'll need it next. Remember, always use the correct network. For Dogecoin, it's the Dogecoin network, not something like Ethereum. Now, head over to the KuCoin website or app and log in to your account. Go to the Assets section and find your Dogecoin balance. Click on Withdraw next to Dogecoin. You'll see a form pop up. Paste the wallet address you copied from Trust Wallet into the Address field. Then, enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits KuCoin might have. Before you hit Confirm, take a second to review everything. Double-check the address to avoid sending your Dogecoin to the wrong place. That could mean losing it forever. Also, be aware of any withdrawal fees. KuCoin might charge a small amount, so factor that in. Once you're sure, enter your two-factor authentication code if required, and confirm the transaction. After that, sit tight. Withdrawals usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Trust Wallet to see if the Dogecoin has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and maybe refresh the app. And there you have it. Your Dogecoin is now safely in your Trust Wallet. This method keeps your assets more secure and gives you more control. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.